We are in South Philly, pretty much as far south as you can go without being on 95, down by the warehouses and the Link and all the stadiums around. So we're on a little less than an acre and a half here on the same property as the Novick Corporation. So the farm's mission in general is to provide a space where we can grow culturally relevant produce for our neighbors, the Southeast Asian community that's right up the road in Mifflin Square Park, but also have a space for education to really learn more, get involved with the community in a sustainable way. Here at the farm, we use all organic practices. That's why we're really grateful for partners like Espoma, who give us all organic products to use, grown without any sort of, synthetic pesticides or fertilizers or anything like that, so they can feel good about what they're putting in their body, and we can feel good about what we're doing for our community and for our planet. The group of farm assistants who work with us here are Karen, which is an ethnic group inside of Myanmar. We are really grateful to have their help here because they have so much cultural knowledge about a lot of the things that we're growing, many varieties of which I had never seen before I started working here. Market days are my favorite days. The costs are subsidized by grants that we receive and donations from people like the Novick Corporation, so we're able to sell things below normal market cost. So we're selling maybe, a regular size bunch of kale that you would get in the grocery store for $3 or $4 is $1 at our market, and it's all organic. Espoma has been a major benefactor. They've always been extremely willing to donate to us multiple times over the season. If we hadn't had the potting soil donated by Espoma, we wouldn't have been able to start our own seeds ourselves on site, and our whole year would have been completely different. They also donate a ton of fertilizer like the garden tone, tomato tone, any of the liquid fertilizers. It gets incorporated into the drip irrigation and sent out to every plant on the farm all at once, and you can see a noticeable difference. The hard work and sweat that goes into farming is all done out of love, but when you go to the market and you're physically giving the food that you've put so much love and time into to people who are excited to receive it, it just really wraps the whole thing together.